Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Patreon for course support step by step clearly. To configure Patreon for course support, start by creating your Patreon account. Visit the Patreon website and click on the sign up button. Choose to sign up using an email address or connect through a social media account. Once signed up, fill in your profile details, including your display name and bio. Next, set your account to creator mode to offer rewards to your supporters. You can then choose a membership plan that suits your course audience. Consider offering different tiers, such as early access to course materials or exclusive content. To set up tiers, click on Create a Tier and fill in the details, including pricing and benefits. Make sure to clearly outline what patrons will receive at each membership level. After configuring your tiers, it's time to integrate your account with your course platform. Check if your course platform allows integration with Patreon or requires manual updates. If manual updates are necessary, plan a schedule to share new content with your patrons. Create a welcoming message for new patrons to make them feel valued. Set goals for your Patreon page to motivate yourself and attract backers. Regularly update your page with content and announcements related to your courses. Engage with your patrons by responding to messages and feedback promptly. Monitor your Patreon analytics to understand what content resonates best. Use this data to refine your offerings and improve your course support strategy. Finally, promote your Patreon page across your existing channels to attract interested supporters. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.